I'm Adam Williams, work at Marine Technical Limits as the lead equipment technician in the workshop. So a huge benefit from MTL being involved from start to finish is the continuity. We have great steps from the start to finish where everyone's involved. We have constant review meetings and stuff, so it's just great to have people that are always involved in the job. I think from a workshop side, I think that the MTL has full overview of the equipment. We see it from start to finish. We have all the equipment on site, so that's a great benefit. The techs in the workshop have great insight into the equipment, and it can be repairs and modifications can be done quickly. Two jobs happening at the moment is cleaning of the cargo fore tank, then following that will be the inspections and possibly repairs coming from that. Service tank that we're cleaning and doing paint repairs on. Well, starts at the return of a job really. When kit comes back from a job, we'll take every item, inspect it, repair it and make sure everything functions as it should, which leads to us being more prepared for the start of another job. So we've have to spend less time focusing on repairing kit and inspecting it because we've already done that. Some of the stuff's done in-house. We can do our own pure checks and ATEX equipment inspections. Yeah, so once everything's picked and manifested and function checked, we would have an external inspector come in and check a kit release to check our equipment meets everything it should do. And we run through all the safety checks, all the gas detection, and prove that it trips when it should do. Once we've got the go-ahead that the release is good, we would then prepare for packing the containers.